In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay bills in QuickBooks Online. So whether you're new to QuickBooks or just need a refresher, this step-by-step guide will make the process straightforward and stress-free. Let's get started. First things first, you need to sign in. Open your web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks Online login page. Once you're there, you'll see a sign in button, which you'll need to click to proceed. Now from the options available, choose QuickBooks Online. If you manage several accounts or have subscriptions, ensure you're selecting the correct QuickBooks service that suits your needs. Next up, it's time to enter your login credentials. Type in your username and password carefully to avoid any login issues. Once you've entered your details, click on Continue to gain access to your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Upon a successful login, redirect your attention to the left navigation bar where you'll find several tabs. We want to focus on the Expense tab, so go ahead and click on that. This tab is crucial because it contains all records related to expenses and bills and is your gateway to manage these transactions efficiently. Finding and clicking on this tab will take you to a detailed view of your expenses. Now, while still in the Expenses section, spot the Bills tab at the top of the page and click on it. By doing so, you'll see a list of all your current and outstanding bills. This overview allows you to keep track of upcoming and paid bills, ensuring you stay on top of your financial obligations. After isolating the bills you need to manage, it's time to deal with their payments. Look to the right hand side of your screen and click on the Schedule Payment button. It's important to note that you'll need to be subscribed to QuickBooks Bill Pay to activate this feature. This subscription not only enables you to schedule payments effortlessly, but also helps in maintaining records of completed transactions. Once you've scheduled your payment, you have the option to go back to the previous screen. You'll see a small arrow which will guide you back to your main list of bills. This is a handy feature when you're handling multiple payments and need to verify if everything was scheduled correctly. Finally, when you've verified that the payment process is correctly scheduled and done, you'll want to mark those bills as paid. Return to the bills page, identify the specific bill you want to update, and click Mark as Paid. This action updates your records, ensuring your accounting data stays accurate and up to date. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily pay and manage your bills in QuickBooks Online. Thank you for tuning in, and be sure to refer back to this guide whenever you need a quick reminder. Happy billing!